In its 10 years of existence, Bitcoin has managed to change the way society looks at global finance and banking. The popular digital currency is first created in January of 2009, a few short months after an individual called Satoshi Nakamoto sends an email with his original idea to the cryptography mailing list. It takes until August 2010 to perform the very first Bitcoin transaction, and one more year for the digital currency to reach a value of $1. Only then the world finally starts to take notice, and the coin's value increases rapidly to $36. Of course, that doesn't last long, and the price quickly falls back down to $2 and takes more than a year to recover. In 2013, economic uncertainties and an official hearing of the US Senate helped Bitcoin skyrocket in value, reaching $1,242 in a short amount of time. Unfortunately, the rapid increase in value would be followed by an equally rapid decrease. As the year comes to an end, China bans the trading of cryptocurrencies, leading the price in a downward spiral that would continue all throughout 2014, reaching a new low of $198. It's only in 2017 that the price starts picking up again, reaching its previous all-time high before starting to rise significantly. This is the year that made Bitcoin famous worldwide. And while most people struggled to obtain their first Bitcoin at its all-time high of $19,750, the price starts to drop and continues to do so all throughout 2018. Finally, it settles at a price range of $3,200. In all of Bitcoin's history, this has been the longest bear market, but also the period when the blockchain community worked tirelessly to improve the coin's speed and scalability. Bitcoin has currently increased more than 75% since its lowest point, and showing significant signs of recovery. Where will it go from here? Only time can tell.